How to fix video call failed problem on WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So to fix the problem, it's actually so easy. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this and then go to the apps manager, and after that go to the apps right here, and then here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is search for WhatsApp and then click on it. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the top right here and you will find this option. Click on it, and after that all what you have to do is go to the permissions and make sure that the camera permission is enabled and also the microphone permission. Now reopen WhatsApp and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video until the end.